Hello guys, so welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. So in this video, I will be making some withdrawal into my Trust wallet and I'll be explaining how this site works, guys. So actually, if you look at the current balance I have here in my Trust wallet, you will notice that I have some minimal amounts such as the USD and the TRX. So I'll go straight and make some withdrawal from this wallet into my Trust wallet, guys. So as you can see, I have opened for member one that commission and I'm going to go ahead and withdraw it right away. So as you can see, our today's mission is actually one and our today's left mission is actually one. So I've processed it. All I need to do is to go ahead and click on this. So since I have completed my mission for today, all I need to do is go back to our home. As you can see, I've received an extra balance of 1.8 USDT. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on withdrawal, guys. So I'm going to make a withdrawal of 1.8 USDT direct into my Tron address, guys. So all I need to do is to go ahead and copy my Tron address, guys. So let's go into our Trust wallet, guys. So the Tron address. So this is our Tron, USDT Tron. So click on receive. So I'll go ahead and install my password, guys. So I'll go ahead and input the amount of USDT that I want to withdraw. Boom, guys. So I just withdrew 1.8 USDT from this site. So now I'm actually going to check whether this withdrawal was actually successful. All I need to do is to go back to my Trust wallet. I need to refresh. Guys, I just received an extra USDT from this site, guys. So as you can see, to withdraw from this site is actually easy. So I'm going to go right away and show you how this site works, guys. So before I continue, I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now, guys. So for you to be part of our family, all you need to do is to go down the description and click up the link of our Telegram group. I will post the link of this site down in our Telegram group and also in the description, guys. So the name of this site is actually So. We have a lot of commission and other wonderful activities that are happening in this site. As you can see, I would like you guys to go boom straight away and start making money from this site, guys. So as you can see, the withdrawal that I just did right away is from member one, and we have a lot of members in this site, guys. So as you can see, if I'm able to earn 1.8 USDT daily from this site, in a total USDT that I'm going to earn is actually 657 USDT just for membership one, guys. So for membership two, I'm actually going to be earning 8.8 USDT daily and a total profit of 3,212 USDT, guys. So for you to just unlock the membership one, all you need is only about 10 USDT for you to unlock this membership one and start earning from it, guys. So as you can see, I just unlocked my membership one and I'm able to withdraw right away from this site. So another way that you can actually make money into this site is actually referral. So the more you refer your friends, the more you earn more USDT into this site, and you can withdraw into your Trust wallet, into your Binance or other cryptocurrency wallet that you are using. As you can see, we have other team membership. You can go ahead and create a group team that can help you to increase your deposit. If you actually deposit 1,000 USDT, you're going to be earning 7% of your deposit, guys. So which means that if you refer a friend which actually deposits 1,000 USDT, you are going to be earning an extra USDT of 100 USDT daily, guys. So you can actually go ahead and make more researches about this site. Don't forget to subscribe into this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now and join our great family on our Telegram.